how to get a free Costco Day Pass workarounds. Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be explaining how. So let's just dive right into the video. So, if you're trying to get a free Costco Day Pass, Costco does not offer free day passes. However, there are different workarounds for non-members to shop, such as going with a member as a guest, using a Costco shop card, or shopping with Instacart. So one thing is going with members. So Costco allows members to bring two guests per visit. If you're the member of Costco, you can bring two guests for free. The member can make purchases on behalf of the guest, and that is one of the most straightforward way to experience Costco without a membership. That is something you can do. Otherwise, you can use Costco shop card. So members can purchase Costco shop cards for non-members. A Costco shop card is a prepaid gift card that can be used for members and non-members. Members can purchase these cards and non-members can use them to shop at the warehouse. The minimum value for the shop card is $25, but it can be a very useful way to try out Costco or help someone else. Apart from that, we have a third-party application called Instacart. You can head over and download that application, and Costco items are available through Instacart. Non-members can order from Costco through Instacart, but the prices are typically higher than in store. Apart from that, we have option of pharmacy as well. In some states, non-member can access the pharmacy or liquor section without a membership. That can be a way to get into the store to potentially visit the food court, and the access is dependent on the state's law regarding alcohol and pharmacy's access. And that's it. So therefore, these are some of the ways you can get free Costco Day Pass, let's say workarounds, and there are some things to consider doing so. So just go ahead and read the terms and conditions of everything, and once you do so, you should be able to get some of the benefits in free Costco Day Pass of using workarounds. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.